Hello kids, welcome back. Welcome back to your maths class. And kids, we have started chapter measurement of length. And in that chapter up to now we have done lots of things, like we have seen how to convert. We have seen how to convert from centimeter to meter. We have seen how to measure things using this स्केल. कल हमने करके देखा ना, हमने देखा ना कि ये 30 सेंटीमीटर की लेंथ की जो ये एक स्केल है, इसकी मदद से हमने क्या किया, 1 मीटर ड्रॉ किया था बोर्ड पे. ये सारे काम हमने किए थे ना. नाउ टुडे वी विल डू सम मोर प्रैक्टिस ऑफ सेंटीमीटर एंड मीटर एंड देन वी विल मूव अहेड टुवर्ड अवर एक्सरसाइज. ओके, so let us start. So meter and centimeter, up to now I have explained you several questions. So today I am going to take those questions which we have already done. Okay, so today we will do some question based on conversion of meter and centimeter. So you all know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. This तो you all know. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. भाई इतना तो सारे बच्चों को पता है, ना. What we are going to do, अब आगे हम क्या करने वाले, we are going to convert. ठीक है, अब हम क्या करेंगे, we will convert meter into centimeter. अब हम क्या करेंगे, मीटर से सेंटीमीटर कन्वर्ट करेंगे. So say अगर if I give you a question that is 26 meter and 12 centimeter. Now convert this. Come on, convert this question, because I have already explained you this in our previous videos, and that too several times. Okay, so come on, do it. Okay, so how we are going to convert 26 meter 12 centimeter? First line will remain the same, that is 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. This line will remain the same. Okay, this line will remain the same. Now 26 meter 12 centimeter. 26 meter 12 centimeter equals to, see, 26 meter 12 centimeter is equals to 26 meter 12 centimeter equals to 26 plus 12 centimeter. That means 26 meter plus 12 centimeter. Now what we have to do, we have to convert this meter part into centimeter. So 26 into 100 centimeter plus 12 centimeter. 26 into 100 centimeter plus 12 centimeter. Okay, now so 26 into 100 we will get 2600 plus 12 centimeter, and together they will form 2612 centimeter. Together they will form 2612 centimeter. So this is how we convert from meter into centimeter. This is how we convert from meter to centimeter. Okay, now we will move toward your book exercise. Next thing is that we will move toward your book exercise. Okay, so I am going to erase the board and we will start our book exercise. That is exercise 8.1. We will start exercise 8.1. Okay, so I am going to erase the board now, and we have to do exercise 8.1. Okay, so I am going to write that. Before moving toward exercise, First we will solve some example question. Before moving the exercise, we will do some example question. First example question is given on page number 130. First example question is given on page number 130 and first example question is there on page number 129 and the question is 9 meter. Question is 9 meter. 9 meter. You have to convert this 9 meter into centimeter. Meter में दिया है, you have to convert this into centimeter. 9 meter is given and you have to convert this into centimeter. So 9 meter. Now first line will remain the same. That is 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Now 9 meter equals to, if 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, then 9 meter is equals to 9 into 100 centimeter. 9 into 100 centimeter. 9 into 100 centimeter means 900 centimeter. 900 centimeter. Okay. So 9 meter equals to 900 centimeter. And this I have already explained you in our last class. So this I have explained you yesterday also, that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. तो 1 का दिया है, 1 का दिया है, many का, they are asking 9 का. तो 1 का दिया है, many का पूछा है. That's why what we are doing? That's why we are multiplying here. So this is our example 1. This is our example 1. Now I am going to do question number 2, example 2. Convert into centimeter and the question is 2 meter 80 centimeter. Question is 2 meter 80 centimeter. Now अब यहाँ पे क्या है, 2 meter है, 80 centimeter. Now in this first question meter part was there, only meter part was there, centimeter part नहीं था. But here क्या है, 2 meter 80 centimeter की बात हो रही है. So what we will do, 2 meter 80 centimeter की बात हो रही है. So that means what we have to do, first we have to convert this 2 into meters, I mean centimeter, and then we will add 80 in that. Okay. Okay. Let us see. So first we will convert 2 meter. ठीक है, 2 meter को पहले हम convert करेंगे. Let us do 2 meter 80 centimeter. Our starting line will remain the same. That is 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. This line will remain the same. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. This line will remain the same. Now 1 meter का दिया है. Now 2 meter 80 centimeter equals to 2 meter 80 centimeter equals to 2 meter plus 80 centimeter. 2 meter equals to 2 meter 80 centimeter. Now 2 into 100, 2 into 100 centimeter plus 80 centimeter. 2 into 100 centimeter plus 80 centimeter. So 2 into 100 will become 2 into 100 will become 200 centimeter plus 80 centimeter. And when we will add 200 plus 80, how much we will get? Plus 80, how much we will get? We will get 280 centimeter. 280 centimeter. 2 meter 80 centimeter. तो वो क्या हो जाना है? 2 meter and 80 centimeter. तो 280 centimeter. Okay. So this is what? This is our example question 1. ये हमने क्या किया? हमने किया एग्जाम्पल क्वेश्चन 1. ओके. Now, let us move toward our book exercise. Let us move toward our book exercise. So, let us do exercise. Today we have to do exercise 8.1. We have to do exercise 8.1. Okay, so we are going to do exercise 8.1. Now in that exercise, in exercise 8.1 we are having first question is convert into centimeter and fill in the placeholder. First question is convert into centimeter and fill in the placeholder. Okay, convert into centimeter and fill in the placeholder. Okay, fine. So, this is our question. Now, which is the first point? 5 meter. First we are having 5 meter. We have to convert the 5 meter into centimeter. Okay. तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन is 5 meter. So our first question is 5 meter. और यहाँ पे क्या है? ऐसा एक प्लेस होल्डर सा क्लाउड सा प्लेस होल्डर बना हुआ है. We have to write 5. We have to convert 5 meter. And next question is what? Next question is 16. Yeah, 16 meter. Next question is 16 meter. And इसके आगे भी क्या है? ऐसा एक क्लाउड सा बना हुआ. We have to convert 5 meter and 16 meter into centimeter. So very easy question. Only meter part is given, centimeter part is not given in this question. तो हमने क्या करना है? हमारी फर्स्ट लाइन will remain the same. That is 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 5 meter equals to 5 into 100 centimeter equals to 500 centimeter. ठीक है, 1 का दिया था, 5 का पूछा तो हमने 500 कर दिया, 500 सेंटीमीटर. So our answer is 500 centimeter. Okay. Next question is, or we can write it like this also. centimeter. 16 meter. So here also our first line will remain the same. That is 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. That is our first line. And that will remain the same. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 16 meter equals to 16 into 100 centimeter. Now 16 into 100 centimeter will give us 1600 centimeter. So this will equals to 1600 centimeter. 1600 centimeter. Our answer will be 1600 centimeter. This is our answer. 5 meter 16 मीटर दोनों का आंसर हमारा आ गया है ना. 500 मीटर एंड 1600 मीटर. ये हमारा क्या हो गया है? दोनों क्वेश्चंस का हमारा आंसर आ गया है. ओके. नाउ लेट अस मूव अहेड. नाउ दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 वी हैव डन. नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 and 2 we have completed. Question number 3 is convert into centimeter and fill in the blanks. So okay, let me erase the board first. First of all, note it down, then I will erase the board. Come on, note it down. Note down the second part. Okay, so next question is convert into centimeters. Next question is convert into centimeter. I am writing cm only, centimeters, and fill in the blanks. And fill in the blanks. Now, this question is what? This question is divided into different steps. जो भी steps हम use कर रहे हैं मीटर टू सेंटीमीटर कन्वर्ट करने में, ये क्वेश्चन उन्हीं को स्टेप्स में ब्रेक कर दिया है. लाइक अवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 6 मीटर 25 सेंटीमीटर. Our first question is 6 meter and 25 centimeter. Question number 3 is 6 meter and 25 centimeter equals to. Now, अब आगे क्या है इस क्वेश्चन में? आगे क्या है? अलग अलग से ब्लैंक्स बने हुए हैं, है ना. आगे इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है? डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइप के ब्लैंक्स बने हुए, जैसे डैश इंटू डैश सेंटीमीटर प्लस डैश सेंटीमीटर. नाउ इन नेक्स्ट लाइन डैश सेंटीमीटर प्लस डैश सेंटीमीटर equals to how many centimeter. Fine. So देखो यहाँ पे क्या है? फर्स्ट है we have to multiply. यहाँ पे दो ब्लॉक है जहाँ पे हमें दिख रहा है कि what we have to do, we have to multiply. So first we are having 6 meter. So first we have to multiply 6 meter. So first we have to multiply 6 meter. अब 6 meter को we have to convert into centimeter. What we will do? We will multiply 6 by 100. अब हमने इसको तो कन्वर्ट कर लिया, 6 by 100 को तो कन्वर्ट कर लिया, 6 को कन्वर्ट कर लिया. What we have to add here? 25. हमें कितना ऐड करना है? 25. नाउ यहाँ पे आप देखो, यहाँ पे 2 ब्लॉक्स हो गए हैं खाली. नाउ 2 ब्लॉक्स. सो 6 मीटर इंटू 100 सेंटीमीटर. 6 इंटू 100 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 600 सेंटीमीटर प्लस 25 सेंटीमीटर. So it will give us 600 centimeter plus 25 centimeter will give us 625 centimeter. 625 centimeter. Okay. देखो, our question was 6 meter and 25 centimeter. अब वो हुआ क्या? 6 into 100 centimeter plus 25 centimeter. 6 into 100 centimeter means 600 centimeter प्लस 25 सेंटीमीटर. हमने क्या पहले हमने 6 इंटू 100 कर दिया तो हमें हमारा आंसर 600 मिल गया. फिर हमने क्या किया? उसमें हमने कितना ऐड कर दिया? उसमें हमने 25 ऐड कर दिया. ओके, मूविंग टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज 3 मीटर 8 सेंटीमीटर. 3 मीटर एंड 8 सेंटीमीटर. 3 meter 8 centimeter. Okay. Again, same numbers of blocks has been given here also. Okay, see, 3 meter 8 centimeter. So what we have to do? First of all, we will multiply 3 by 100. First of all, we will multiply 3 with 100. So 3 meter into 100 centimeter. What we will add here? 8 centimeter और 0.8 centimeter. देखो ध्यान से, 80 नहीं है, 8 है. तो 3 into 100 centimeter we will get. 3 into 100 centimeter we will get 300 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. 3 into 100 centimeter plus 8 centimeter, and together they will form 300 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. Together they will form 308 centimeter. Together they will form 308 centimeter. Okay. Now next question is 25 meter and 75 centimeter. Question number 5 is 25 meter and 75 centimeter. See. Now, this question 25 meter and 75 centimeter. This question you guys have to solve yourself. Come on, solve it. Come on, solve it. Completed. Okay, let us see. 25 meter and 75 centimeter. So we will write 25 into 100. Okay, 25 into 100 centimeter, and then we will add 75 here. Then we will add 75 here. Next 25 into 100 we will get 2500 centimeter plus 75 centimeter. Together they will form 2575. centimeter. Together they will form 2575 centimeter. Okay, so this much we have done. So here we have completed exercise 8.1, question number 1 to 5. Now before moving ahead, next question is convert into centimeter. Okay, so we'll do that question also. Now note it down, then I will erase the board. Come on, note it down. Okay. Okay. Okay, so moving towards the next question. Next question is convert into centimeter. Okay. सो अब तक तो हम लोगों ने किया सारे क्वेश्चन कन्वर्ट इनटू सेंटीमीटर. लेट अस डू दिस वन आल्सो. दिस क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट? कन्वर्ट इनटू सेंटीमीटर. Convert into centimeter. Okay. So our question is, first question is 5 meter and 38 centimeter. 5 meter and 38 centimeter. Five meter and 38 centimeter. Now next is 8 meter 8 centimeter. 8 meter 8 centimeter. 5 meter 38 centimeter and next is 8 meter 8 centimeter. We have to solve these two. Okay. Now 5 meter 38 centimeter. Now first line will remain the same, that is 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Now 5 meter 38 centimeter equals to 5 meter plus 38 centimeter. So we will convert only this part. We will convert only meter wala part है ना, centimeter wala part तो we won't convert. So we will convert only meter wala part. Okay. Now equals to 5 meter will be 5 into 100 centimeter and plus 38 centimeter. 5 into 100 centimeter plus 38 centimeter. Okay. 5 into 100 centimeter will become 500 centimeter plus 38 centimeter. 500 centimeter plus 38 centimeter is equals to 500 and 38 centimeter. Okay, 538 centimeter. This we will get. Okay. Come on, note it down, then we will move ahead. Okay, so the next question is 8 meter and 8 centimeter. Next question is 8 meter and the 8 centimeter. Now I am leaving question number B for you guys to complete yourself. I am leaving B part of the question for you guys to complete yourself. So I am moving toward the 8 meter and 8 centimeter. Now here 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Now 8 meter 8 centimeter equals to 8 meter plus 8 centimeter, and that is equals to 8 into 100 centimeter plus 8 centimeter equals to 800 centimeter प्लस 8 सेंटीमीटर है ना. वी हैव रिच्ड हियर. हमने क्या किया, पहले 8 को कन्वर्ट किया. वी हैव कन्वर्टेड 8 हियर. ठीक है, 8 मीटर को कन्वर्ट किया, 8 into 100 हुआ एंड देन 8 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ एडिंग दीज टू वी विल गेट 808 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ सो किड्स, दिस इज आवर आंसर. दिस इज आवर आंसर ऑफ 8 मीटर एंड 8 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ so we have done exercise 8.1 up to question number 5 and I guess 6. Now from tomorrow I will start a new topic, and I hope converting our given unit of meter and centimeter into centimeter is clear to you all. So from tomorrow I will start converting a given number into meter, from kilometer to meter. Okay, now till then